Assalamualaikum, Nada here from Mumbai. Like, share and subscribe my channel to see more videos related to see our shore leave, to know more about merchant navy, and even I will share the journey which I am doing right now while I'm sailing. This lake, which you can see, is surrounded with crocodiles. This lake is full of crocodiles. We are soon going to pass from Pacific Ocean, going to enter Atlantic Ocean, and heading for Houston. So it's going to be Houston, Manny, Tampa, and then Miami. Then again, we are going to go ahead with Bahamas and come back again to Panama to go ahead with Singapore. Keep liking, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day. Enjoy.